if you are someone like me who is scared to record videos because you don't know video editing and you have to uh, depend on somebody like who you don't know who will do the best work of your video editing, this video might come into use for you and you will love this video. Okay. My name is Yashasvi. I'm a founder of Divine Success Flow, helps entrepreneurs scale their businesses using AI agents, adaptations, and automations. And here is what we will discuss today, right? Like, I record videos like this. I open Zoom and record videos like this. Then when it comes to editing the videos, I'm not good at it and I don't find very good people who can do videos like how the YouTube does it. Like many of the YouTube influencers, when you see their video, you want your videos to be like that. And when if you are a perfectionist like me and like um, you will not post your videos until it looks like something the best. So let's kill that perfectionist and let's not compromise on the quality of videos, but look at how we can achieve this without having to go through a lot of struggle and resistance. I record my videos like this. I open the Zoom, hit the record, and if it requires screen sharing, I do that. And let me do the screen sharing now. And I have my video recorded here, earlier video recorded here. So what I would do, I would simply open CapCut and like I have dragged and dropped that video here into CapCut. And what I'm going to do is like I'm going to ask ChatGPT to you edit my CapCut project into a retention focused YouTube long form video. And then say, go ahead. What this should be able to do is I'm using the long form editor workflow. I created this workflow that will help um, help the ChatGPT create best YouTube form long form video. So it's using that and it's now going to edit the workflow. If you look at here, picture in picture, it shows what it is doing. It's opening the CapCut and I found the open project in a single 623 talking head recording at 30 frames per second with an empty timeline. I'm analyzing the recording and it's first 30 seconds now. So the cut is based on the actual spoken content and not some generic pacing guesses. Planning the project inspection, running the command, and while it is doing it, like in the backend, if you see it is, you will see a icon coming somewhere now that it will start doing it. Say right now when I'm speaking also there is, when I don't know what to say, there is spaces and there are which will reduce the quality of listening of the audience. And it's very important for me to not be restricted or limited or constrained to use or express. Like when I'm blank, I want to, I don't have anything to say. I need some time to think about it, but I cannot use that in my video. So it needs to be, the ugly part needs to be taken away so that the quality is present. That's what I'm asking this CapCut agent to do. So now you see it automatically opened this editor, CapCut editor, and I'm on Pro version here in the CapCut editor. You can also get this Pro version, which can generate the. Let's see what all it does. So is it, and if it's looking for anything, this is the first time I'm doing as well. I taught it how to do it, and you might see icon coming in there, like the mouse pointer coming in there. So now that it is operating on this. It went and clicked the video. Maybe it will come and drag and drop. So it said empty timeline. Yeah, it's not added. This video is imported but not added. And by the time you are seeing this video also, it might be something refined, something, I don't know, color grading might have done, like it might have eliminated the filler words. It might have done the captioning. It might have rearranged in a way that it shows the desired outcome, and then it creates the interest first, or maybe the hook. So my job is to be natural. My job is to not worry about the quality, but give the content so that it takes care of the heavy lifting part. That is to present it in a way that it is high quality, excellent. So if you see now, it pulled in from the import, it pulled in into the timeline, and let's see what it is doing. It's um, couldn't split video at current position, so don't know what happened, but it brought back. It's fun sometimes, like to watch a dumb computer like this, which we never thought it's equivalent to doing such a great job a video editor could do, and charge thousands of dollars. If I have to hire somebody for doing all these videos, I would anyway spend between $500 to $1,000 per month. But if this is doing the same work with matchable quality of a junior video editor, then it's very much a big opportunity here. We can generate a lot of content, not being worried about who will edit or like how much time it will edit, how much I have to spend for just for editing. Because some of you are new, may not be in a position to spend so much or invest so much on the editing part. So you may just want to come on camera, start yapping, and then showing some screen like what you do. See, your job is like you are good at many things. Start doing those good things. Start spending your time and effort on those good things that you are good at. And the low value task, that means the editing. You are not meant for editor. I'm not meant for an editing, video editing, but it's required. Like as a solopreneur, it's required. I'm not meant for outreaching, it's required. So let all that low value tasks be taken care by a assistant or a agent means not simply something in the chat. It's doing a task that earlier costed money to me. It's doing a task which earlier costed time to me. So that's simply an agent. You give it a tool, you give it a skill, you give it a context, you tell who you are, you tell what to do, or you tell how to become the best. So that's what I have trained this model as well. Let's see what it's doing. Maybe I can say in the screen, it might not look like it's doing, but zoom in for precise, like every action that a video editor would do, like fine tune, ending cut, set ending trim point, split at clean ending, select trailing silence, select isolated pauses. Come on, if you have to think about all this, when will you be a Saruk? When will you do the operations or coaching or consulting part which you are meant to be? Aligning clips, adding background, mark clean edit, select trailing. So look at all the nitty-gritties or all the tasks that are in so my hands are free now, like, but things are happening. So what if your business becomes like that? That's the AI first business that we are building, where the one business function, that means outreach is managed, content is managed, your lead generation is managed. If all that is done by agents, and your time is freed up, what best would you do in that time? So you might scale the business, you might add more customers, you might take up one more business. So our vision is creating 711 AI first businesses. Like, this is one business, like video editing is one business. Right now, there is a video editing agency, and if this I have an agent that can do all this, and we can get the people sign up for this one. Like we can have this and being done without my involvement. That's where the scalability. Unless I remove myself out of business, how will I be free to scale to one more business? So, yeah, 711 businesses looks like if I am involved in everything, then looks like huge. Like how the this guy Virgin Airlines found he manages so many business. He doesn't manage businesses. He manages CEOs. He hires CEOs who can manage those businesses. So same way we are creating agents. So at this scale, we are creating agents that can manage our inbox, that can manage our content creation, that can manage our LinkedIn outreach, that can manage our email campaigns, that can manage many more. Like the kind of work that it is doing, many things. So let's look at what it's doing. It expanded the timeline. Some cuts have been done. Layers can be ordered, like it's ordering the layers. Hopefully, it will add some filters as well. I don't know if it's required because this is mostly screen sharing. It may not require color grading or background music also, maybe because there is much of um, engagement happening with speaking rather than, let me see. Okay, so good. So isolate early hesitation, remove early hesitation, restore full timeline after the selection. So it does mistakes. So do you see that it is doing the mistake and it's correcting itself? It's learning. Many people want this to be perfect in the first go. I mean, if you are somebody like that, you will never be able to, like, you will struggle even with the human employees. So, yeah, I'm using the transcript. Okay, so now it is generating the transcript. Like it, see, I am not well aware about each and every feature of this tool. I don't need to. Right? If there are like hundreds of tools like this which I use, and if I go on mastering that or learning that or exploring that, then I would go mad. Like my the results would be delayed. But what this agent knows is like which button to press. It's already somebody who is expert in this tool. So I'm and like as this keeps doing. So let's see what it does. Um, Already generated locally and importing it as editable sentence level captions. Instead, this keeps the project free of a new paid feature. So it also knows there are certain paid features. If it includes that, you will finally not be able to save this video. Hence, it is avoiding or finding the alternatives how it can be done by not including the advanced level paid features. Fantastic. So opening something to import, and let's see media source. Do make sure you don't have any of the windows open that has um, because it's also read your desktop. Like if you have any confidential information, make sure you don't have it open on this, and you can use a separate computer for this or a server for this, and start install only the required things and then start doing this. And do also let me know in the comments or in the DM what are some of the things you would want to produce if video editing or video production is taken care. What are some of the things which will allow you to be worry free, and what are some of the things, which courses would you produce, which trainings would you produce, which Instagram reels would you produce, what this allows, like what if because of some time being freed up, what are you going to utilize that time for, or what freedom or new support this brought in? I mean, look at all the transcripts being added, the SRT file. So the captions file, it's adding the captions on the screen. Mind blowing. What the it might also rearrange the parts of the videos such that, let's see, and in the down you are maybe it has detached the audio also. You see the uh, video part here, and then there is a audio part here. So might be it has detached this as well, video and audio. Let's see. So now it is adding some text, maybe effects or colors. I don't know. So this is the computer use that is common. Earlier we used to use the Selenium, which could go and click the screens. Now with the computer use and the brain or the trainings that the LLMs have gone through, humans don't have to be engaged in this cheap task. So it is being done fantastically. I mean, I'm not expecting the best out of this, but if this can do all this, even if there are some mistakes, I'm happy to uh, post it. I'm not expecting a super perfect video here, super perfect output here. And I would give the feedback and what else it could improve on, like what else it could do. Like I would ask it to like whatever videos I just see, and if I say it's done perfectly, I would give that video and ask it, hey, you know what? Look at what a video editor has done in this video, train yourself in this, and it would look at that and it would train and update, create a new skill. So I guess it is saving this, and don't know how it is going to be. Let's see. So save source verify 25 FPS, third timeline, planning caption, the new timeline. Okay. So planning coordinate based pop-up interaction. So still let us continuing that. It's not yet done. I don't even know why the renaming has to be done for the timeline. There must be some reason it's doing it. If you are a video editor watching this, you might find 10 flaws or 100 flaws in this, but I understand. But as a founder who is managing the business, like who is not trained, say I myself am I come from non-business background, or like I come from somebody who hates coding. But I love business because it makes entrepreneurs are the ones who are producers, like a farmer, you produce that which is going to be consumed and making people's lives better. So if you're an entrepreneur watching this, I have a deep respect for who you are. And yeah, as an entrepreneur, your time is to be utilized to make what your vision is for. So if your vision is for the CEOs performing better, so but you very well have to be communicating what you are here to communicate. People have to know how you can help, who you can help, in what way. What are the cues that you are giving? What are the symptoms they should have that they should reach you? Or like, what are the goals that they should have that they should reach? So all this is managed through your marketing content and everything. And if that is handled by these kind of agents and activities, or these business functions are handled by agents, I don't even know what it is doing, but let's see. What is it making the space in the top for? What? Now what? Let's read what it is doing. Verifying captions globally, adjusting captions vertical position, placing caption in vertical position. Maybe it's new and it's doing some mistakes also. Even when don't see anything, it's doing something, right? And yes, in the comment box, mention what is your best video editor. That you use CapCut, you use Filmora, or you use some other uh, video editors. Let me know in the comment or the chat. And which one do you use? Like, are you on a Mac system? Are you on Windows? This looks messy. Yeah, hopefully it will do something about it. If you have been reaching out to me, I see that it has completed, but it has left the space above. I'm going to take a snapshot and what I see, and then I will say that I will give that a feedback to it. This is what I see, capture, and then I will tell that. Okay, I see. Do you see the blanks? Do you see the misalignment of video? I will just say that. So sometimes I use Whisper Flow to also do this. All I have to do is uh, Control Alt Spacebar, and I hold this, and it will be able to whatever I say, it will be able to prompt that as a prompt. Yeah, it's pretty much say more. I am like I don't need to be intelligent, so because it has the millions of books it has read, the millions of materials it's been trained on. If I want to, it has more intelligence than me. Sometimes it's scary, sometimes it's disempowering because your employee is more qualified than you. So your job becomes not to compete with your employee about the intelligence, but how could you get, what could you develop as a skill? Like how do you develop commanding it or getting quality work out of this superpower? That's the AI mastery. That means you are mastering the way in which understanding the behavior, having room for its mistake, not getting frustrated, not getting irritated. Because if you get irritated, frustrated, you will stop using it if you don't have good feeling. So, how do you give room to it as well as it's my responsibility to get the quality workout. It has what it has, it doesn't have what it doesn't have. It's my responsibility to use the best out of it, whatever it's able to, and whatever it's not able to, find other tool or find other harness where it can be. I verified that one while leaving the caption. I can correct it now. Okay, go ahead. So, yeah. So go ahead, correct it, do whatever is required. I want it to be fixed. Yeah. And whatever inputs am I giving. So also I would ensure that is going in permanently being stored as a training in the skill or plugin such that next time I don't have to repeat the same. So fantastic. It's the CapCut element. And it's easy for me to drag and drop it, correct it. No. If you want an employee to be trained, if I do this, next time the employee will do the same mistake and next time I need to be there. So your job is to eliminate yourself as much as possible. By how? By training, by allowing the mistakes and by training and training how you would do. See, right now you see the caption is coming on the face. I don't know if it's going to change, if it's going to look, but I would ask it again. Like, and if it doesn't do, I would not be angry, frustrated, or irritated, but I would express myself. Hey, how will it work if you put the caption on my face on the film? So save, confirm the segment, centered, whatever it's doing, centered, and that the captions were not moved. Okay, so something it is thinking about the captions. Let's see. And by the way, I would love to hear from you. What are the elements of a video that makes you think that it is highly professional? Put it in the comment box or in the chat. What are when you see some of the YouTube videos, you will say, "Oh, wow, what a like video should be like this." So, what are some of the things that you think perfect video should have, or like perfect video should be covered? Is it a background music? Is it like the how the initial part is outcome promised outcome like or hook or demonstrations are more, talking is more, or should it be more entertaining? So because words, when you each one of you have a different, like when you play on your strength or like when you utilize your strength. Say if you allow me to talk for hours, I'll do that. I'm using in this video that strength of mine to be engaging the audience. I don't know, I might not be engaging the audience, but I'm using that more here. So reading the cap, did you see that it moved captions also? I guess it moved captions. By the way, if you are somebody who wants to do such kind of, who wants to implement AI as an operating system, as an operating agent in your businesses, I would drop a link below. Go ahead and book a free audit for yourself so we can understand your businesses, like what's difficult, complex, and taking time in your business, or what trainings. I'm happy to give trainings to your employees if you have employees and business owner having multiple people in your team so that their effectiveness is increased or so go ahead and utilize that. Yeah. Select the captions, lower third position, doing something about the captions. How many of that it's taking more time? And how many of you get frustrated when a simple task, you know how it has to be done, but somebody is not doing it how it is like how many of you feel they are stupid? How many of you feel your employee or somebody who's doing? And I'm one of them who wants things to be perfect, who wants things to happen with velocity and fast. And when don't see that happens, I get frustrated and irritated. Like I get, why is this guy not doing well? How dumb is he or how dumb she? But that's the opportunity for you to bring in patience, bring in because anything you have done in your life first time is always the hard. I started going for a walk 15 days back and like it was very difficult for me to wake up at 5 a.m. But today I wake up, it's not, it's natural. Like nobody has, no thoughts come. But first day, how to wake up, like second day, it was like, what, it's okay to miss one day all those thoughts were coming, but you become free, flow in the zone when you start doing it again. And first time is always the hard time. So let's have some compassion to it. And yeah, pretty much everything is ready. And here is what it did. Many of you have been reaching out to me. I don't know if regarding how to I have get the LinkedIn enabled done or like how to get prospects that are available to be converted into your clients. So I thought I'll share this. But now you don't have to pretty much I'm going to be struggle so going through I'll go ahead, increasing your. I'll go ahead save it and export or fix and save this one time load. And then that's it. Like I will ask it to upload it to YouTube, give it in a way that it can. Yes, done, export, done. And then ask it to give the, prepare a YouTube thumbnail and then for it. And then many of you have been reaching out to me regarding how to get the link. Okay, that's all for now. And do share in the comments. What do you want to see next? What do you want AI doing the next? And I am happy to help you. I'm happy to educate you. I'm happy to I'm happy like like my name is Yashasvi and like one of the Sanskrit meanings of Yashasvi is success. I would want uh the entrepreneurs to have success. That's the vision that I have created, right? Like more than 20 million entrepreneurs being helped or like being enabled, being doing great business and making world a better place. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.